Number 1. Mount Everest. It is 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet. It locates at the border of Nepal and Tibet, China. Number 2. K2. It is 8,611 meters, 28,251 feet. It locates at the border of Pakistan and China. Number 3. Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters, 28,169 feet. Its location is the border of Nepal and India. Number 4. Lhotse, 8,516 meters, 27,940 feet. Its location is the border of Nepal and Tibet, China. Number 5. Bakalu, 8,485 meters, 27,838 feet. Its location is border of Nepal and Tibet, China. Number 6. Choyu, 8,188 meters, 26,864 feet. Its location is the border of Nepal and Tibet, China. Number 7. Dhaulagiri, 8,167 meters, 26,795 feet. It is in Nepal. Number 8. Manslu, 8,163 meters, 26,781 feet. It is in Nepal. Number 9. Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meters, 26,660 feet. Its location is in Pakistan. Number 10. Annapurna, 8,091 meters, 26,545 feet. It is in Nepal.